Hi folks, this is Eli and welcome to my blizzard update, 8:15 blizzard update from very snowy Boston. As you can see, the snow continues to fall very heavy. The winds are very strong. The winds have been gusting to around 38 miles per hour in the Boston area. The Cape has reported winds gusts up to 50 miles per hour. The roads, as you can see, are in somewhat of a bad shape right now, even though they are plowing the roads constantly. There's so much snow right now falling that it's actually they can't keep up. So as you can see, there's another plow there. So a lot of plowing going around, very heavy snow falling. We have about half a foot of snow already, and this is since about since about 4 o'clock when we had the heaviest snow starting. So in about 4 hours, I would say we've had about 5 to 6 inches of snow in through this area. Ooh, I gotta get away from here because we have flowing with CCC. But very heavy snow. As you can see, it's still falling in the Boston area, and should continue to fall throughout the whole night with accumulations expected at around 15 to 20 inches of snow. The temperature, I have seen that it is now warmed up a little bit. So the temperature has gone up to 28 degrees. It was 24 degrees earlier. So I think it has to do with the fact that the wind might be changing to the northeast since the water temperatures are still in the 40s. I think that's why. But the winds are still very strong. Like I said, this is Main Street in Malden. I'm gonna move out here so you can see there's a lot of snow in Main Street, and there's a lot of snow on the floor, so you can see. But the plows are still out here plowing the street. As you can see, this is Main Street, and the cars are taking their own sweet time. I'm gonna cross the street real quick here. But this is Main Street in Malden. You can see visibilities are very bad. Very bad visibility, as you can see, with lots of snow falling right now. So this is the 8:15 update from Boston, the blizzard of 2010. And they're doing more plowing, as you can see, working very hard to make sure the streets are very well cleared. As you can see, not a whole lot of people are out here right now, but it is really nasty, and the snow is coming down in not buckets, I guess, but it's awesome. It's incredible. My first blizzard ever. So, all right. So you guys, I'll see you later. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna come out to do another report from outside, but I'll keep you guys posted, see what's going on. So, peace.